Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use my Rice Krispie template using Photoshop. This is the final result, what we're going to be doing. Okay, so this is a template that you get once you download it from my Etsy shop. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the text, so I'm just going to delete that. I have it in auto select so I can select the layers. Okay, um, let's just start using the paint bucket. We're going to select this layer. Use the paint bucket. I want it black. You can choose any color or any pattern that you want. Okay, so this, I'm gonna first open my background, the one that I'm using this background, spider webs. You could find any pattern on any background, any digital paper on Etsy. All you need to do is go on Etsy, type in blah digital paper. You will get a few, the ones that you can choose and pick. You'll get nice patterns instead of just going on Google and trying to purchase one. Not purchase, just use one that's decent. I do buy a lot of digital paper for everything. It's easier for me to just have it as is. Um, so let me start typing. I need it white so I can see what I'm typing. Jane Crispy treats. So this one, the top one, is size 18. This one is size 36. But depending on the name of the child or the person, this is gonna be a huge factor. Okay, now we're gonna do FX, stroke. I have it size 16, looks good. I'm gonna emboss it. Just the regular settings. Here we go, click OK. We need to curve it a little, arch it, so select the text, arch, click arch. We need a size 13. Um, and there we go. Let's open the clip art. Also clip art, all you have to, if you're purchasing clip art, all you have to do is type in the theme, put clip art. You'll be able to find high quality images and with PNG, so you don't have the white background like JPEGs. Easy to work with on Photoshop and on Word, especially Word. You need the PNGs. Okay, we're gonna select this layer, right click, select pixels. We're gonna do select inverse. We're gonna select the clip art again. Again, this is personal preference. This is what I always do. So, and there we have the Rice Krispie treat. Um, make a folder for yourself if this is for a client. Just make a folder that says orders. Type in the client, save it as your client's name, order number, whatever your organizational system is. Um, one as a PSD. It needs to be saved as a PSD so you're able to edit if your customer wants different changes. Okay, since this is just for demonstration, I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten the image. You need to flatten the image by CTRL plus the letter plus shift and the letter E. This will just make it into one layer. Create new document. New document. Click print right here, print. Unless you use it constantly, it will be on your recent documents. If not, just click print, then create. Don't mess with these numbers. We're gonna pull this layer out. Um, Close it. No. And then transform. It could just 90 and then duplicate is CTRL plus the letter J. This will duplicate your item and just press that and then just print and you're ready to go. Okay guys, have a great one.